Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome back to the garden. It is a beautiful day in the garden. I have some nice, beautiful roses. Oh my God, this will smell like almond. Oh, beautiful roses over here. And oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Look at this dark red rose. Oh my God, so beautiful. And I mean, I got two, four, six. I got six of them right here in this corner because they struggle. They're not happy here. But I don't have no choice. I don't have no other place to put them because I've been, yes, that's all I have. Oh my gosh, let me see this one. It's so beautiful.